Alright guys, this is Bank Nifty and 5-minute chart. Let's do some analysis for tomorrow. So first we will identify the market trend. So basically which direction we are looking for enter. It's a buy side or sell side. And after that we will discuss where our entry point will be. So first you can see according to the price action method, they are creating lower low, pullback and the lower low. And finally, again, they're forming lower low after giving a sharp move down, all right, from here to this area. So basically, we are looking for buy after breaking this range. So basically, this one, you can see session high also, and this one session low. So basically, we are focusing on near session area, okay? So that is important area. And if you see like the supply zone as a here you can see supply zone, most important supply zone is somewhere here. So this is also important. All right. So we are looking for short if price open anywhere, but if price goes here and they if lose their momentum, so definitely we short here and the target will be here. So first the selling side here and another if price goes to this level, so definitely we are looking for short until price break this level 42,400, right? So once price break this level, so definitely we'll use price action method, and in that case we'll use some demand area, okay? So if price open a gap down, okay, let's say price open a gap down, so like that, and definitely we'll wait to a pullback near supply zone. So blindly we never enter. We don't want to enter blindly. So we are looking for short near breakout the structure and near support, demand zone or supply zone. So in that area, we just using rubber band theory, and we see the momentum, either the momentum are decreasing or not. So based on that indicator, we enter in the market. So and we use 1:3. Let's say price suppose open somewhere here and goes up like that, and that they stop creating higher high and after that create lower low. So in that case, we use 1:3 and our target will be here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for giving your valuable time.